For the microwave controls, you have, especially when you're cooking at the stove, you have a vent, low, off, and then high. Turn it back off. And then you have a light. You have a surface light, which goes right over the stove. Night light, and then off. Those are the options you have, and pretty much the rest of it is just like any other microwave. On the inside, you'll see that there is not a glass turntable or the little rack that it turns on. There is also a wire rack. The wire rack I leave under the bed. I never use it. It's under the mattress, and the little wheel, plastic ring with the wheels on it, it's in the second drawer under the counter. And the glass plate I will have someplace else, because I have hit a bump, the door opened, the glass hit the floor and shattered. So I don't like to leave it in there when I'm traveling.